Eurovision Song Contest in 2015. It was, of course, in your wheelchair, especially made for the occasion. White, sparkling, fabulous. And I was the first singer in the wheelchair in the history of the contest, so it was huge, I think.
I cannot even imagine how life would be without this equipment. If I want to travel on my own and just, grab it and put it in my car, and it makes my life much easier, and I do things that I haven't expected before that I can do.